Hi everyone, David Ward. It is Wednesday, March 16th, 2022, 2:26 p.m. Central Time in the U.S. Hope everyone's doing okay today. I'm doing fine. A lot of work going on here in the office as usual, and with the preparation of the outline for the last lesson for scalping. But enough of that. Let's get to this analysis for Bitcoin USD. Not going to look at this chart at the moment. First, let's look at the weekly time frame. In the weekly, of course, the red RSI goes above level 30. Decent chance of going up to within proximity of the basis, the yellow dotted basis, currently at 46,300 approximately. And the 50 moving average is right at that too. So there is a chance of going up to that basis, most certainly is. But may not be until the next candle. May not be until the next candle to go within proximity of the basis. Could go just shy of that potentially. While we're here, let's look at the 4-day. You see in the 4-day, let me make this large. All right, in the 4-day, the red RSI and blue LSMA are both above level 30, this white lower. That means we do have a chance of the price action running up towards the white aqua upper B bands. The white upper is currently just shy of 44,000, the aqua upper at 45,695. So there is a chance of going up to the white aqua upper B bands. If not this candle, it looks more likely chance the next candle, if not this candle. We still have 1 day, 5 hours remaining in the current 4-day candle. The 3-day, red RSI and blue SMA, were above level 30, so we knew at the start of this candle the odds were actually quite high of going up to the white aqua upper B bands in this 3-day time frame between 42,100 and 43,600. Our red RSI in the 12-hour has closed above level 50, triggering upward pressure that lasts for how long? Till the white energy comes down to level 50. When the white energy comes down to level 50, will it close below level 50 to trigger downward pressure before the red RSI in the 24-hour can close above level 50 to trigger upward pressure? Keep in mind, if the red RSI in the 24-hour does close above level 50, with this white energy still pretty high, upward pressure will continue until the white energy comes back down to level 50. So keep that in mind. Our short-term group, we see the red RSI and blue LSMA, especially in the 3-hour, 4-hour, 6-hour, and 8-hour, they're all above level 50 at present. They are currently above level 50 in the 2-hour and the 90-minute as well. We see the green RSI trying to come back up again in the 90-minute and even the 1-hour. It looks like the white energy in the 30-minute closed above level 50 to create calls for upward pressure before the red RSI in the 1-hour can close below level 50 to trigger downward pressure. So upward pressure has resumed. Back to our, that's the 2-week. Let's go back to our weekly. We are going to compare to November 2014. Present day, red RSI near level 40. Back here, where I have this blue vertical timeline, the red RSI was approaching level 40. Was approaching it, and note, I'm going to move this out of the way. Note how we came up to within proximity of the basis, where we wicked up to the yellow dotted line, the basis. The blue LSMA could not get above level 30 like the red RSI did. Therefore, the likelihood of us going up to the white aqua upper B bands was less likely. Yes, the red RSI and blue LSMA got above level 30 here, but the reason we did not go up to white aqua upper here is because of the downward pressure is still ongoing in even higher time frames. For example, if I move from the 1 week to the 3 week right there and have a look at that, you see in the 3 week, the blue LSMA was still going down, not even trying to go up above level 20. The red RSI was just getting above level 20. So the white lower B band was still acting as resistance because the red RSI was below level 30 in this 3 week time frame. Looking at the 2 week time frame at that blue vertical timeline right here. The red RSI was not above level 30. The blue LSMA was not above level 20. So we couldn't go up from the white lower B band here. When the red RSI did finally make it above level 30 to have a chance of going up from the white lower B band towards the basis, it couldn't do it. The green RSI was coming down, not up, in that 2 week time frame. So again, the reason that we did not go up from the basis to this white aqua upper, even though the red RSI and blue SMA were above level 30, is because we still had a lot of work to do in the 2 week and 3 week time frames right there. But let me go ahead and move this back to right there. There we go. Have it back there again. All right. So again, the blue LSMA was real low, could not get above level 30 to go on up from the basis, go up from the basis to the white aqua upper. Well, looking at present day, if we were to compare that to present day, yes, the red RSI is up, but look at this blue LSMA. It's lower present day than what we were back here. All right, so the odds of us going above this basis, the odds of us going above 46,300 to the white aqua upper is not very good. If we did do that, we are way overextended and the price is coming right back down if we did that. But right now, the odds of that occurring, at least this candle, is not very good. The next candle, the blue LSMA, may get above level 20, which can increase the odds of then going up to the basis around, well, currently it's around 46,000, but the next weekly candle, the basis would be more like around 45,000. Yeah, it would be more like around 45,000 the next candle. All right, so we still have a lot of work to do with this blue LSMA in the weekly. The 2 week, red RSI and blue SMA just below level 30. If we want to go on up from the white lower B band, level 30, if we want to go up from the white lower towards the basis, that red RSI and blue SMA need to come on up. We still have 11 days and 5 hours. 11 days and 5 hours remaining in the current 2 week candle. So there's still a lot of work to do as far as the red RSI getting above level 50 so that we can go up from the basis towards the white aqua upper. That's implying that the blue LSMA also gets above level 30, which it more than likely would if the red RSI got on up here to or near level 50. But again, another 11 days, 5 hours. We're just not quite ready yet. Maybe you're wondering if you should get in yet. Well, I've argued several times that we should dollar cost average into the market. I've said this for quite a while. This green text bubble's been here for quite a while. On these dips down to this aqua diagonal trend line, that dip here, you know, even this one here, anywhere near this aqua diagonal trend line is not a bad place to dollar cost average into the market. That's providing you divided up your capital into let's say 8-10 portions, 8 to 10 equal portions, and each time on a dip you're using one of those portions, maybe 2 of those portions at a time. That's up to you. By the way, read the disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm just providing my opinion. let's go to the 3-week time frame. In the 3-week, red RSI and blue SMA, the green was coming up. Red RSI, blue SMA falling down, green coming up. This was just below level 30. We're just below level 30 here with the red RSI and blue SMA. That red RSI needs to get on up above level 30 to go up from this white lower B band with authority towards the basis and remain above this white lower B band. Yes, I know we're above it right now, but in order for us to keep going up, that red RSI needs to turn on up above level 30. And if we want to go from the basis to the white aqua upper, the blue LSMA needs to get on up above level 30. Note how the red RSI went above level 30 here, then we went up from the white lower B band towards the basis, but then the green RSI came down. When the green RSI came back up, now the blue LSMA, it's above level 30. Red RSI is above level 30. Level 30 is right here. But now we have increased odds of going up to the white aqua upper B bands. Then shortly after, when the blue LSMA also went above level 50 along with the red RSI, then we started getting expansion up, the price action going up with that expansion. Oh, by the way, that was not the 3-week time frame, that was the 18-day time frame. I kind of went in between 2-week and 3-week with the 18-day time frame. If our price action went up towards the white aqua upper in this 3-week time frame, if we went up to around 54,400 to just shy of 60,000, if we went up in there, if we all of a sudden shot up there, it is coming right back down. The reason I'm saying that, this red RSI and blue SMA is way too low. If we want to go up into this white aqua or above the aqua upper B band, this red RSI needs to get up above the white aqua. Note, especially once it got up above aqua, which is level 90, note how the aqua upper B band was acting as support all that time. When the red RSI was about to go below level 90, well, we were about to go below the aqua upper, heading back down towards the basis. We have a lot of work to do with this red RSI. If we go up to that white aqua upper, if this red RSI is not up here at the white aqua upper, the price action cannot be held there. It's coming right back down. If we did that. So again, we have a lot of work still to do. Just as I said in my previous video, we still have a lot of work to do. This is good in the 3-week that the red RSI and blue SMA are both above level 30. You know, that's a good sign that maybe we can eventually turn this around, but we still have 11 days, 5 hours remaining in the current 3-week candle. 11 days, 5 hours. At which time we'll just have to see what happens thereafter. But right now, looking in the weekly, the basis is the ceiling. The basis is resistance. 46,300, that's resistance right now. If we want to go up from that basis to the white aqua upper and remain up there, number one, this blue LSMA needs to get above level 30. Number two, that red RSI needs to get on up here towards the white aqua upper for it to stay up there at that white aqua upper. If we did go above the basis, the 20 moving average, up to the white aqua upper. So again, the B-band basis in the weekly, 46,297, you might as well say 46,300. We could go to within proximity of that, but I think the odds are higher of us doing that the next weekly candle, not this weekly candle. But keep in mind the next weekly candle, the B-band basis, would be more like 45,300 instead of 46,300. So keep that in mind, 45,300. Well, the aqua upper B-band in the 4-day time frame, the aqua upper B-band is currently 45,700, let's say, 45,688. Let's just say 45,700 at the aqua upper. Well, the red RSI and blue SMA are both above level 30. So there's a decent chance of going up to the white aqua upper right here, and looking in the 3-day time frame. Red RSI and blue SMA, they're above level 30. So there's actually a decent chance to going up to this aqua upper. If not a little bit more, might get a little bit of expansion, up towards the orange upper, or right at this 100 moving average. That 100 moving average is currently 45,252. The next weekly candle would be around 45,300. The next weekly candle would be. And again, the reason why I'm saying the next weekly candle would be is because the next weekly candle, that blue SMA may be above level 20. The red RSI is getting even closer to level 50 to show some kind of support here at the basis. But if we want to, that next weekly candle after that, we may see a little red candle waiting for this blue LSMA to get on up above level 30 to have a chance of going up from the basis to the white aqua upper. So we still have a lot of work yet to do. Still a lot of work yet to do. In the short-term group, like I've already mentioned, it's good that the red RSI and blue SMA is above level 50. In all these time frames, we need them to remain above level 50. We want this blue LSMA to stay up high in the 3-hour. We want the blue LSMA to stay up high in the 4-hour as well. Don't forget, we still have upward pressure ongoing in the 12-hour, and it's likely to continue from the way it looks when we have a new 24-hour begin in approximately 4 hours 15 minutes from now. The next 24-hour, that red RSI might be on the verge of going above level 50 or right at level 50. That's quite possible. The blue LSMA, it was also above level 30 along with the red RSI, so when this green came up, we knew the odds were quite high of going up to this white aqua upper with them both above level 30. Also with us having upward pressure in the 2-day. You can see the green currently going up in the 2-day. In the 2-day right here, it was flat. The next 2-day candle, you got confirmation after entry here. The next candle in this 12-hour, the red RSI and blue SMA both had a good chance of going above level 30, which meant it had a good chance of going up to within proximity of the white aqua upper. Red RSI still kept climbing. White energy still kept climbing, showing our momentum. Upward momentum is still going up. It's leveling out a little bit, but let's see if our upward momentum begins to decrease soon or not. I think we will continue with upward momentum, upward pressure, until we get to within proximity of the weekly, proximity of the basis in the weekly, the next weekly candle. The next weekly candle. And again, that's the next weekly candle, the B-band basis would be just above 45,000, maybe around 45,300. As long as upward pressure continues in this short-term group, yes, I know we see white energy currently coming down at the moment, but we still have upward pressure in the 12-hour and about to get it potentially in the 24-hour. But also remind you, we still have a lot of work to do in that weekly, 2-week, and 3-week time frame, 18-day time frame that I also showed you. 45,000, that puts us right back around this red diagonal trend line. All right, we need to get a higher high than this previous high. And this current move up, we need to get a higher high than this previous high. If not, we just keep getting lower highs one after the other. This is reminding me a lot of 2018. If that were to occur, when I say reminds me a lot of 2018, BTC USD, lower time frames. Let's slide this on over. Right here in 2018, up thrust last point of supply, up thrust last point of supply, up thrust last point of supply, last point of supply, last point of supply, last point of supply. In other words, we keep putting in lower highs. We just keep putting in lower highs. So that's what I'm concerned with. If we keep putting in lower highs, we may end up seeing something like that again. That is certainly possible. Can we say for sure that's what's going to happen? No. We do not know what we don't know until we know it. We don't know what we don't know until we know it. But right now, we do know we still have upward pressure in the 12-hour time frame that lasts until the white energy comes down to level 50. And if the red RSI in the 24-hour, if it can get above level 50, it can trigger upward pressure that lasts until the white energy comes down to level 50. Same thing for the 2-day. The 3-day, red RSI and blue RSI is on the verge of going above level 50. So the white aqua upper there, we're looking at the aqua upper potentially at 45,253. Right there, that's getting close to within proximity of the B-band basis in the weekly, the current weekly candle. That blue SMA in the 5-day has a lot of work to do. We need to get above level 30 to go up towards the white aqua upper in the 5-day, which is 46,800 to 49,300. That blue LSMA's got to get above level 30 to have a better chance of going up to the white aqua upper in the 5-day. Right, so right now we're more or less still just kind of trending sideways. And when I say kind of trending sideways, I'm going to say in between the white lower B band in the weekly, 37,800, well, 37,500. Between 37,500 and 45,500 is what I'm going to say right now. That's our current trading range at the moment. White aqua upper and the basis. White aqua upper and the basis. Could say the white lower if the green RSI, the next 3-day candle comes back down towards level 30. The white lower, that's at 37,200. That's close to the 37,500 that I said there. So it's still kind of sideways within a relatively tight trading range. Don't see any kind of dump coming anytime soon, and I don't see any kind of serious pump coming anytime soon. Just keep in mind in that weekly, if we go up here above this basis towards the white aqua upper with that blue LSMA this low, we are overextended up. It's coming right back down if we did that. Just a reminder of that. All right, I'm going to go and call this quits. If you don't mind, take a moment and click like. If you're not following, not subscribed, please feel free to do so you can get notified whenever I post an update. And I'm fixing to have to go ahead and get back to work on my last lesson. Mounting a sliding drawer here for my multiple keyboards and trackpads for my trading station. I also need to put a sliding drawer here for my 12-channel mixer here for my streaming station. But again, I'm going to go and let y'all go and let this start uploading and get it out to you as quick as possible. And as always, you know the drill. Let's stay awesome.